Hello, this is the Twin Towers. It is in Barcelona. It's unique because many tourists visit the Twin Towers every day. There is an antenna on top of the left tower. There are many similarities between the two towers. The real Twin Towers were destroyed in 2001 in New York.
We live in Barcelona. Come to Barcelona. It's a great city. There are 7 or 8 million tourists of the year. In Barcelona there are lots of things, cinemas, art gallery, shopping center, hotels, and swimming pools. One tradition in Barcelona is the castellers. It's a very important tradition. In Barcelona, at the football stadium of one team, the Football Club Barcelona, for me is the best team of the world.
This is the Buckingham Palace. The palace is in London. In the palace there are 600 rooms like this. There are many guards because they have to protect the queen. Inside the palace there is a salon of the throne and a salon of the dance. Around the palace there are gardens. In the gardens there are lakes and meadows of flowers. My city is Barcelona. Barcelona is in Catalonia. It's very big city. There are sea, mountains and buildings. It's very modern. There is a church very famous. His name is Sagrada Familia. I love Barcelona.
This is a castle. It's in Penínscola. It's unique because it's all on the sea, except one entry. It's a big castle with a big wall, and inside the walls are a Penínscola town. It's beautiful because the houses are white and the streets are very narrow.
Berlin is a capital German. Berlin is a big town. There are monuments and churches. For example, Brandenburg Door, New Way, Shopping Church, Hamspringer, and Hohenlohe Ludendorff. In Berlin, you can go shopping center, and I go to the cinema, and I go to the parks and labs.
Go to London. It's a big city and it's the capital city of England. In London there are the Big Ben, it's this, the Buckingham Palace, it's this, the London Eye, it's this, and the London Bridge, it's this. And there are lots of big vehicles and typical double-decker buses.
This is a Broadway theater. Is it in New York? There are 38 theater and must play a musical. Some of the work are Annie, The Wicked, The Little Merry Moon, Lion King, Grease, and Miserables. Some of them have got to the Broadway before Hollywood. The Louvre. The Louvre Museum is located in Paris, France. The museum is a right bank of Siena. The Louvre is a world museum visited of the world. The Gioconda, painted by Italian Leonardo da Vinci. Venus de Milo, sculpture of a Saint Grace. And the Rosetta Stone, and it's writing in 3 parts. It's right and 3 parts in hieroglyphs, Egyptian hieroglyphs, a Gothic sculpture, and a Saint Grace. The pyramid is a fight museum. It's made of glass.
There is a University of Salamanca. Inside there is a library of important books, and there is a statue outside. He's looking the facade of university. His name is Fray Luis de León, and he was the poet and the teacher of university. And when sunny, the facade wooden seat.
And this is the Akbar Tower. The Akbar Tower is unique in shape and height it has because the style is at glass. And is it made of glass of different colors. And is it in Barcelona? And there are glass. This is a painting of the Akbar Tower. I love Akbar Tower.